ta diri sa atong mga kauban. Sami kabas. Free ni siya, wala na may bayad dito sa entrance pag ani ka diri. Dagat to.
Paligo na ang daan.
Pa dito, grabe. Mga kauban ang dito. Free na may dali nga.
Ano yung
Old Bushmills Distillery. So tingnan natin, ito yung sikat na sikat dito nila na ano. Ini naman ba? Bushmills. Manara, ito na. The Old Bushmills Distillery, licensed since 1608. Ito, di ba? Ito yung mga lagaya, no?
Dito si Lopez sa loob.
Tara po. Ayun.
Oh, John did make it. You have to put it in your book.
Mga sikat na ano nila dito. Grabe, oh. Grabe, 45. Sikat din yung dali sa ila. $25 lang, oh.
Mura dito.
27, oh. Ito.
Ikan din.
30 plus na to.
Mura na yung investment dito kasi pakto rin.
Ito. Ito.
Bumili kami nung nakasubin na sa...
Ano siya? Okay yung ice cream?
Okay yung ice cream.
Sabi nila ito yung best ice cream eh. Sa Ireland eh.
Go back. I'm a $1.50 gain to come down.
What?
I'm a food coach
Yeah,
today.
Right.
Just tell Julie it was hard. Anyway,
Ah, modo ni siya.
just tell
So,
Julie.
testingan na to ni.
Tingnan na to na
Asa ba kayo lami ani? Irish black butter. Testingan na to. Irish black butter. So, magkano yan sa Ralph? Yung ganun kalaki.
How much is this?
Oh, £5.20.
£5.
Will you do me a wee favour and let everybody know that it's cash, if it's
Ah,
under
don't-
£10?
Don't tell everybody that.
Cash.
If it's over 10, it's cards, okay?
I know. She's already warned me about
Oh,
that.
has she?
Yep, euros and dollars is all
Aye.
right as well.
So,
Well, I'm not so great with the euros and the dollars, but sterling if possible.
we want to try it.
All right, all the best. Enjoy your ice cream.
We want to try it if how delicious. Can I have
Are you able to pay cash?
oh yeah, cash. This one,
You
this
get
big and
3 scoops.
3 scoops that big, yeah. And then
Which one would you like to try?
Irish black butter.
I usually beat in the way past, but I forgot to beat the way.
Ano bang favorite? So, yung pilihan din ya.
I'm chatting everybody down, so it's
Alright.
bad.
This
See you
is
later.
double vanilla cream Belgian chocolate chip.
ice cream in Northern Ireland.
Can I have an Irish black butter? I'll try it.
Ay, sa ating glass, oh. Sarap na to, masarap.
It's possible if I can mix.
Yes, you can have 3 different ones.
All right, and then Belgian chocolate chip. And then the final is the double cream vanilla.
Irish
How
black
much
butter.
for 3 scoops?
can
$5.20. And if you can pay cash,
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Sumong itong
If you're
pinakalamig
buying
daw ng
anything
ice cream
else and
sa
it comes
Ireland.
to over £10, we're okay with that.
Magkano yun sa
Tingnan nato.
5.
Right. So,
Tingnan mo na ulit.
here cash.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Seaweed, Jeff.
Sa pili mo gitalit.
5 lang.
5. Mahal ako sa 5. Sa pili
So, Tara.
Wala, regular lang ako.
Cone lang, cone.
Ang regular peanut.
So,
How much is the regular cone?
Rato ra na.
Just a medium cone is £2.80. Okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank
You might want to
you.
be napkin as well.
Okay. Then one flavor only.
Yeah, just one scoop.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one.
Okay, so
And cash,
dalhin
please, if it's
dalhin
under
pa ni sa
10.
buros ni.
Oh.
Ugani.
Kasi lang mga